Now you don't need to always create a circle to start your array, but because we wanted to do a polar array, we want to locate a center of a circle. So let's do another array, and let's start with a circle, and we're going to drag and type in an exact radius of 8. And we wanted to put a square all around this circle going around. So we're going to do a square, and we're going to start here and do a one by one. One tab, one enter. Okay. Well, that's too small. So let's erase that and make a bigger one. And this time we're going to do a 3 by 3. So 3 tab 3 enter. There you go. You want to put the circle somewhere here, okay? And we're going to just simply move this circle, and we want to get the middle of the midpoint of this one. So press enter, and then we want to make sure that our object snap midpoint is checked. So we're going to check midpoint, okay? And another snap that we want to use right now is called the quadrant. Quadrant is the 4 points on the side of a circle, so click that also. So we're going to hold it from the midpoint because midpoint is on, and we're going to put that on the quadrant. So there are 4 quadrants of a circle, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So if you want it exactly in a quadrant, you click on this one. Now you don't need to always start from the bottom. You can always also start from the top if that's what you want. Okay. So to start from the top, you simply click move, enter. You want to hold it at the midpoint again, so make sure that your object snap midpoint is on, and you want to put it on the quadrant, so make sure that they're on. So we're going to touch it from the bottom midpoint, and then we're going to put it on the top quadrant over here. Okay, and then we're going to array that. So over here and draw array, we're going to select the square, and then we're going to click check, and we're going to do a polar array. Okay, and then the axis of rotation, or the center point, basically is the center here. Okay, so again, you make sure that there's center check so that you can simply point to the center. Okay, and then you have immediately your 6, but you want to change the number of items. Okay, and let's say you want 12, so you put 12 and then press enter. There's 12. If I put more than 12, it's going to touch each other. So, for example, if I type in 14, you'll see that they're going to, oh, 14 will fit. Okay. How about 16? Will 16 fit? 16 will fit some more. How about 18? 18 will fit. 18 barely. Oh, now they overlap. So I can't fit 18, only 16. And maybe I can fit 17. So let's see. 17, I can fit 18. Press enter. And then I inspect. They still overlap here. So let's go back to 16. So number of items 16, press enter, and then nothing overlaps. Very good. Okay, so I just click exit or press enter when done, and then I can now erase that circle. Erase and then erase that circle. Okay, so make sure that your object snaps um, quadrant, 4 quadrants of a circle, and then midpoint, middle of a line. Okay, or middle of an arc would work too. So that's another polar array. Now you can array lines, objects, squares. Okay, you can even array text. Okay, so if you wanted to do text, you can simply or annotate a text with text, and then assign the text or click here, and then go down like this, and then you can see now the box is not all the way to the right because now since we're putting in measurements uh, and it fits your 3, then it now is proportional. So let's put in letter A, and then we're going to check. Okay, and then let's say that you want this A to go around again a circle. So we're gonna do another circle. Let's say you want a radius now of 5, enter. Okay, oh, that's too small. So we have a circle with a radius of 10, no, maybe 15. 15, enter. There you go. And we want to start again this somewhere here. So we're going to do a move. We'll click that. And then you don't need to do O snaps this time. You can just uh, point to this one. Let's just be precise. So when I click on this one, on the letter A, and I look at my properties here, you can see that this is justified top left. That means that the grip is on the top left of the letter. So if I pull this down, if I wanted the grip to be in the middle and the center, click with middle center, and you can see now that the grip is here. So I can now click on that grip and that's on the center. So I can also move it by clicking on this grip and then putting it on the quadrant. Okay, so now I'm putting it exactly on that circle, not on the bottom, not on the edge or whatever, putting in the center. And then I'm going to do my array. So I did select that first. So I can select something first and then go to draw an array. And then I can just do a polar array immediately. And then the axis or the center is the center here. And then immediately have my 6 points. And then I will type in, let's say 20. 20, press enter. Okay, there you go. You may wanted to put in more. And let's say 22. Press enter. Yeah, looks still okay. I think I can go with 26. 26, enter. Yeah, 26 looks okay, right? We'll try 27 or 28. 28, press enter. Yeah, I think 28 is still okay. Then I click enter to stop. Okay. Next, we know that this text is or the objects created by an array is selected as a group, right? Selected as a group. Okay. So if you wanted to change each letter, you need to explode that first. So select the array and explode. Now you can change this each one. So if I wanted to put in my last name, I double click and then simply backspace and put M. Put check, double click, and then put I and put check, and then double click and then type in L, double click, type in another L, double click, type in E now, and then double click, type in N, click, click. Don't move it, just double click it so you can change. Backspace D, check, double click, okay, backspace E, check, and then backspace C. Okay. Now, if I wanted to leave a space, I can simply click this and then press delete. You're deleting that one, and then you can start again and put in your next word, and then your next word or next letter, and the rest that you don't need, you can just simply delete. Okay, and then you simply delete. Okay. And then what you wanted to do is you wanted to now rotate that so it's neat. So you're going to do a rotate, modify, and you're going to do a rotate, and then select everything, press enter, make sure you can click the center, and then you simply now rotate that so you can see your name, right? Melendez Allen. Okay, we can now erase the circle, and that's how you can array letters and arrange them around a circle. Okay, so let's try that.